Color filters and the science behind them are an essential part of black and white photography, both when shooting with photographic film or creating digital edits in programs like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop. I'm Dominic Brand, and I've been using color filters to enhance my black and white photography throughout my career as a photographer, designer, and teacher. In this class, I'll be showing you how you can enhance your black and white photography by using color filters in your workflow. This class is designed for digital photographers, media editors, and designers who want to create exciting and original black and white edits, and traditional film photographers who want to get the most out of their photography when shooting with 35mm and medium format black and white films. We will start by discussing why black and white photography is still important today, and looking into the theory behind black and white film photography and using physical color filters when shooting on film. And then we'll explore how color filters can be used to improve the quality of your black and white photographs or image edits, run through each of the color filters and how they can be used, and look into how to replicate those looks digitally and enhance your black and white photographs in Adobe Lightroom, Adobe Camera Raw, and Adobe Photoshop. And I will also share a few quick tips for creating versatile presets for editing your images. This class is for intermediate to advanced level students, and to get the most out of this class, you'll need to have a good understanding of photography's terminology, techniques, and processes, and have some experience of editing photographs in Adobe Lightroom apps, Adobe Camera Raw, or Adobe Photoshop. So join me in this class, and I will guide you through the weird and wonderful world of using color filters to enhance your black and white photography.